Good morning. I, Salim, Assistant Professor in KITE Group of Institutions, Electronics and Instrumentation Department, presenting you a topic telemetry system based on channel. Here, channel is transmission channel, which is divided into two parts. It is landline based or wireless based. In landline telemetry, we use wires for the communication purpose, and we use radio frequency waves in wireless mode. Satellite telemetry system is also example of wireless telemetry system. So here our first slide, in which we have a basic wire telemetry system. Here we have a physical variable. Physical variable may be temperature, pressure, flow, current, voltage, any picture, any video, etc. So next block is our transducer or sensor, which can convert our physical variable into measurable form or in electrical signal. So next block is signal conditioner 1, which convert in signal conditioner we have filters, amplifiers, modulator, demodulator, etc. Next step is our transmitter, in which we have transmitting antenna. So next we have signal transmission medium. This signal transmission medium in this case is through wires. Wires may be of copper wires, etc. Okay. So next step is receiver. At the receiver end we have a receiving antenna. Then signal conditioner 2. Again in signal conditioner we have amplifiers, filters, demodulators, demultiplexer, etc. And next we have end device. End device we use recorders, CROs, digital storage oscilloscopes, printers, etc. This is our basic wire telemetry system, in which we specially note that the transmission medium is through wires only. Here is the basic wire telemetry system, particular case, in which we have physical variable, again transducer or sensor. Next we have signal conditioners. In transmitters we have audio frequency modulators, amplifiers, and carrier generator, on which we have to send our signal, through which we have to send our signals. Then electrical signals, it is pair of copper wires through which we transmit our signal from one place to another place. Again, then at the receiving end we have amplifiers, demodulators, signal conditioners, and end device. So signal transmission medium is a pair of copper wires, and the transmission signal is an electrical signal in case of basic wire telemetry system. The transmitter comprises an audio frequency modulator and amplifier to strengthen the modulated carrier signal before sending it on the copper wire. The modulator may be either an AC alternating current or a sine wave modulator or a pulse modulator, as per the need of particular applications. The carrier generator shown in the figure will be a sine wave oscillator or a pulse oscillator. The multiplexer is included for multiple channel case, like I have to transmit pressure, flow, temperature through the same line. So we use multiplexer in this case at the transmitting end and demultiplexer at the receiving end. Amplifier to carry out necessary amplification of the attenuated signal received through wire pair, and a demodulator to recover the information signal from the modulated carrier signal. This is all about basic wire telemetry system. So our next topic is wireless telemetry system. In this, only change is in between the channels where we have a antenna, transmitting antenna and receiving antenna in place of direct wire. So here our physical variables, then transducer and sensors. Next is signal conditioners. In transmitter we have radio frequency modulator, band pass filter, power amplifier and radio frequency oscillators, and we have a transmitting antenna also. At the receiving end we have receiving antenna, input filter, input amplifier, demodulator, signal conditioner and end device. And in this case the mode of transmission is wireless. So radio waves travel through transmitting antenna to receiving antenna, and these radio waves contains our message signal or our information. The signal transmission medium here is a radio link comprising a transmitting antenna denoted by TA, a receiving antenna denoted by RA, and the space between the two used for propagation of radio wave from transmitting antenna to receiving antenna. The range of wireless telemetry is more than landline telemetry. The transmitter comprises the following component: radio frequency modulator, either amplitude modulation or frequency modulation type, depending on the performance, bandwidth and the cost consideration, and an amplifier. Band pass filter stops any undesired frequencies produced by the radio frequency modulator and any noise generated internally and allows only the desired frequency band for transmission. This is the use of band pass filter in transmitted case. Power amplifier to suitably amplify the power of the signal, because the signal acquired from any sensor is very low level, it is in millivolts, so we use power amplifier to amplify these signals before feeding it to the transmitting antenna. At the receiver also comprises three components as under: input filter or tuner to select the relevant radio signal out of the several radio signals that may be picked by the receiving antenna, then input amplifier, then demodulator, either amplitude modulation or FM modulation type, so adds to match the type of the modulator. Thank you. This is all about channel type telemetry system, in which we discuss wire telemetry and wireless telemetry.